Hi everybody, this is Nitisha Mehta, your yoga teacher. Today's video is about prenatal yoga, especially for second trimester, where your baby is getting little bit more energy and your belly is getting little bigger. However, this class is safe for all the three trimesters of pregnancy. Also, do consult your doctor before starting this class or any other routine exercises. So take your mat and let's go. As I always says, we'll start with all the standing asanas first. Here we'll start with Veerbhadrasana 1, 2, also known as warrior pose 1 and 2. Adjust your stance to wide. Turn the right foot to the right side 90-degree. Inhale. Join the palms overhead. Reach your arms back slightly and expand your chest to come in gentle back bend. We'll come from here to warrior pose 2, where you get your hands sideways and look towards your right hand. Breathe. With the exhalation, come up and switch to the other side. Continue. Note, don't allow your front knees to pass the ankle. Take 3 breaths here. This asana is a deep hip opening pose that strengthens the muscles in the thighs and butts. It also helps to relieve backache and stimulate healthy digestion. Now slowly come back. Next, we'll do Tadasana. Stand straight with your feet together. Raise your arms, moving them sideways without bending the elbow, straight above your head. Join your hands up and raise yourself on your toes. Hold in this posture as long as you can. Here, you can also lock your fingers together, palms out, and gently come back. This asana improves posture, strengthens thighs, knees, ankle, and also firm abdomen. Our next asana is Utkatasana, also known as chair pose. For that, stand tall and nice. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms up. Inhale. Note, here your body weight should be on your thighs instead of your knees. This asana is great to tone your leg muscles, basically your thigh muscles, and also great for your lower back if done correctly. Here we'll go towards our next asana, that is goddess pose, also known as Devi pose. For that, step the feet out wide. Now turn the heels in and toes out. Softly bend in the knees here. Now begin the bend deeper. Here you can join the hands or keep your hands on the knees as you are comfortable. This asana strengthens the calves, inner thighs as well as shoulders, arms and upper back. This is one of the best asanas during pregnancy. Now gently come back. Now we'll start with all the sitting asanas. First we'll do butterfly pose, also known as Titli pose. For that, sit down on the floor and bring your feet together with your legs apart from the hip. Hold your feet together with your hand. Move your knees up and down. This motion is like flapping of the butterfly wings. This is very known popular asanas to be done during pregnancy. This asana strengthens pelvic floor muscles to support your unborn baby. Also prepares the body for normal delivery by opening up thighs, groining and pelvic muscles. Pregnancy discomforts like heartburn can be reduced. Relieve you from stress and rejuvenate your body and mind. Here we go to our next asana, that is Parvatasana. For that, sit in Padmasana and while inhaling, raise your both hands up and join your hands there. Your shape will become like a mountain. It is also known as a mountain pose. Stay in this posture for few breaths and now gently come back. Now here we come to our next asana, that is cat and cow pose. For that, come in Vajrasana first. Knees will be about the hip distance apart and hands will be about shoulder apart and separate fingers nice and wide. Then as you inhale, lift your chest and head and your belly drop like a cow pose. And as you exhale, round the spine towards the sky, drop the head into the chest like a cat pose. Repeat this for few times. This asana is also known as Khanjari and Vitilya asana. Now let's go to our next asana, Garland pose Mallasana. Come into a standing position with the feet hip width apart. Start to squat down all the way. Once comfortable, bring palms joined to chest and use your elbows to put your knees out. Allow your spine to be lifted and avoid rounding chest. This asana helps to ease bloating and constipation. It greatly strengthens the muscles of pelvic floor for easy labor. Now come towards our next asana, Bharadwaj asana. Fold your left knee and keep it in Vajrasana. Bend the right leg from the knee and keep it onto your thighs. Mindfully place your left hand on the right knees. Twist and hold the posture. Look back. Breathe. And with the exhale, release the right toe and come to the center. Repeat the same other side. Bharadwaj asana is an asana to strengthen the spine, torso, shoulder and hip. It helps relieve lower back pain and neck pain. Here I'll show you two quick asanas, that is Padmasana and Vajrasana. Once in a while, make a habit in a day, you sit in these asanas. Padmasana and Vajrasana, of course, you can sit even after we go towards our next asana, Anjani asana. For that, step your one foot back and keep the knees to the floor of the leg. Now join your hands up and lean back. This is a very good asanas for having a deep back stretch. Now gently come back. Here we begin with all the sleeping asanas. Our first asana is Supta Baddha asana. For that, lie straight and flat on the mat. Bend your knees to bring the sole of your feet together to touch. Stay in this pose for up to a minute, breathing deeply and slowly and connecting with your baby. Our next asana is Supta Padmasana. For that, lie down on your mat straight and get your leg in the position of Padmasana and relax. Take a few deep breaths here. So the last asana is Supta Virasana or reclining hero pose. Is the reclining variation of Virasana, a seated yoga pose, with the legs bent at the knees and calf resting alongside the thighs, feet pointing backward. It is considered an intermediate pose that deepens stretch the back, leg, knees, hips and chest. You can do this with one leg open if you don't have that flexibility in your body. Any yoga session is incomplete without pranayam. So here we come towards pranayam. The first pranayam we'll do is Samavriti pranayam. The best pranayam to be done during pregnancy. In this, we are balancing the intake and outcome of the breath. In the 4 count, we'll take a breath in. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the 4 count, we will outtake our breath. Very slowly and nicely. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The intake of breath is known as Purab and outtake of breath is known as Rechak. So here we are balancing our Purab and Rechak. Do this for minimum 5 times. Our next pranayam is Brahmari. Deep breath. It's also known as close your eyes And deep and breathe. Now close your ears with your thumb. Place your index finger above your eyebrows and rest of the fingers over your eyes. Focus on a mind in between your eyebrows. Keep your mouth closed and breathe out through your nose while making the humming sound. Repeat this for 3 times. Next pranayama is Shitli breath. It cools down the body and rejuvenates the mind. Anger, stress, pimple, ulcer, it has a healing effect on all these problems. For that, roll your tongue, take it out, and breathe in with your tongue. Close your mouth, hold in the breath for a few seconds, and take it out from your nose. Next pranayam is Satkari pranayam. For that, join your teeth, open your mouth, and breathe in with your teeth. Close your mouth and breathe out with your nose. Hold in the breath for a few seconds. Do this for 3 times. Now at the end, to balance out our breath, we will do Anlom Vilom. For that, make one hand Pranav Mudra and other hand Vayu Mudra. And from the right hand, hold your right nostril and breathe in with your left nostril. Now hold your left nostril and breathe out with your right. Repeat this for minimum 1 minute to get the best benefit out of it. Now we'll do chanting Om for 3 times. For that, make your hands Gyan Mudra and keep it on your thighs. Close your eyes with the middle focus on between your eyebrows. The vibration of this divine sound balances the body by cleansing the aura. Deep breathe in and slowly breathe out, chanting Om. Now for palming, rub your hands with each other very fast and generate the energy. Now put your hands on your eyes, open and close your eyes there, and give this whole energy to your body. Namaste.